So the insert came in today. That is right here. You can see the part numbers on there. I'll post that part number in the description. This is for the standard Street Glide insert for the console. This piece right here. If you guys remember, obviously it didn't come with one. Trying to find that online was almost impossible. I actually came across it. Someone was selling this exact package on eBay for $55 plus shipping. I was completely amazed that someone could actually sell it for that much, considering it's 15 bucks. It's $15 plus I paid for expedite shipping, so I ended up paying like $11 for shipping. It's like 25 bucks. So half what they're asking for on eBay. But if you look up that part number and you go to board trackers, let me find the box. It's sitting over here. You go to board trackers. Which is, let's see if I can cover this. Which is right there. Can you see the board trackers? Board tracker Harley Davidson. Right there. That's where it's from. So if you go to their website and you type in that part number, you can see a listing for 15 bucks, and it's easy to replace. I don't understand why they don't give you that option when you order that through the dealer. It's not like a check mark option. Hey, you're going to need an insert for this. Then you decide which one it is. The one I purchased is the Street Glide one. It's the one that matches the original. Since now I know, because on their website it doesn't show a picture of the part, so I was unsure. I'm going to actually order another one when I have another order, so I don't have to pay as much shipping. But it is this one right here. I'll pull out the package real quick. It comes in like this. So does that one there. Obviously it's got covering on, it's covering on the bottom, and it's going to basically stick right in there, just like that. So it'll be like that. So it's with two-way tape. I'm going to clean that off with some alcohol right there, and then we'll go ahead and stick it on there. So I'm going to grab some IPA. I'm going to spray that down, wipe it down, and then we'll go ahead and bond that on there. So I'm just going to eyeball this thing. Maybe I won't. Well, it's on there. That kind of finishes it off. It works. So that's the finish of the console install, which was crazy. Let's get the logo in there, the console insert in there. Just kind of eyeballed it. It looks good. It's good. Thanks for watching.